In a shocking turn of events, YNW Melly might be closer than ever to being released from jail. After spending over 2,000 days behind bars without a conviction, new developments in his case have raised serious questions about the legal process keeping him locked up. With the judge pressuring prosecutors for answers and potential bond options on the table, fans and critics alike are wondering, could YNW Melly finally be walking free soon? Let's break down everything you need to know about this major update. Before we dive in, make sure to leave a like on this video if you're a fan of YNW Melly, and don't forget to hit that subscriber button if you're new to the channel. Now, during a recent hearing, YNW Melly appeared visibly upset, but his mood shifted when the judge raised the possibility of releasing him from the county jail. The judge questioned why Melly has been sitting in jail for nearly 6 years without a conviction, demanding the prosecution provide a valid reason or else he would consider granting Melly a bond. Upon reviewing Melly's case, the judge discovered troubling details. One of Melly's defense attorneys, Raven Liberty, is reportedly under investigation for witness tampering. However, there is no clear evidence that this investigation is real. Many believe the prosecution may be using this as a tactic to delay Melly's retrial. Melly's legal team argued for his release, presenting evidence that he was texting his ex-girlfriend during the time of the crime, indicating that he was running from rival gang members rather than committing the murder. Prosecutors had also admitted in the original trial that no murder weapon was ever recovered, further weakening their case. In response, prosecutors filed 6 new charges against Melly, including witness tampering and directing criminal activities. They alleged that Melly made phone calls from the jail to intimidate his ex-girlfriend into not testifying. According to reports, Melly used coded language through intermediaries to send messages, pressuring witnesses to stay silent. Melly's mother, Jamie King, had publicly criticized the Broward County Jail for denying her son basic rights like phone calls and mail. She claims Melly is being treated unfairly despite not being convicted of any crime. This harsh treatment might be due to the prosecution's belief that Melly used jail communications to tamper with witnesses. This whole situation has been a little bit bizarre, and honestly the public is divided. Some, like Charleston White, argue that Melly deserves no sympathy if he took a life. Others, including rapper Boosie, have expressed support for Melly's mother, recognizing her pain during this ordeal. Adding to the complexity, new evidence suggests a possible motive for the crime. Reports claim Melly confided in King Von about tensions with YNW Juvie and YNW Sack Chaser over money. The two reportedly felt entitled to a share of Melly's earnings despite not contributing to the group's success. Prosecutors also discovered a text message from Melly that read, "I did that," with a smiley face, sent hours after the murders, furthering fueling suspicions. To make matters worse, Melly's co-defendant, YNW Bortland, was allegedly caught with a notebook containing information about jurors from Melly's first trial, an illegal act that has led to an additional witness tampering charges. Prosecutors appear determined to keep Melly behind bars, stacking charges and using every legal tool at their disposal. With his retrial delayed again and new evidence surfacing, YNW Melly faces a long and uncertain legal battle. The question now is whether Melly is being fairly prosecuted or if the system is working against him. Now, after following his original mistrial, Melly's retrial for the 2018 double murder is scheduled to begin on September 10th, 2025. But with these new updates and the concerning recent witness tampering, it does seem that these indicate that Melly will remain in custody for an extended period as he waits the new trial dates. But like we said, he has already been incarcerated for over 2,000 days, and the judge is demanding some answers on why he has not been convicted. And as far as we know, if he doesn't get some very substantial answers soon, this could work in YNW Melly's favor, as the judge could push for a mistrial, resulting in a very quick release, or worst case scenario, even granting him bond. We will have to wait and see as new updates continue to hit the media, which we can assure will be happening very soon, as it seems the judge is getting very impatient about this entire process. With that being said, I do want to know your opinion on this. What do you think is the future of YNW Melly? Do you think that he will be locked up and sentenced for the rest of his life? Or do you think with how all over the place this situation has been, he has a chance to be released and set free very shortly? Let us know about your thoughts down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to leave a like on this video if you are a fan of YNW Melly. We will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.